Trishala Angelica Karen from grade 8C, and today I'm going to define chemical reaction. So, a chemical reaction is a process that has a reactants and a products. So, these are the reactants in the front, and these are the products in the back. So, the reactants form into a products, and these are the types of reaction, and these are the example. First type of reactants is a formation reactants. So formation is a forming of a compound by the elements, and these are the example of the formation reactants. Next we have the decomposition. So decomposition is a breaking down of a compounds into an element, and these are the example of decomposition reactants. Next we have the combustion. So combustion is a reaction of oxygen. So if the reactants has a O2 in the equation, that means it's a combustion. And next we have neutralization. So neutralization is a reaction between acid and base, and these are the example of neutralization reactants. And next, the last but not least, we have displacement reactants. So there's two types of displacement reactants. The first one is a single displacement, and the second one is double displacement. A single displacement reactants is when one chemical species is replaced by another chemical species, and double displacement reactants is when two chemical species are replaced by another two different molecules. And these are the example of a single displacement reactants and a double displacement reactants. So now I'm going to talk more detail about the combustion reaction, because I just feel it's also a reaction of an element or compound with oxygen to form an oxide that produce heat. Hydrocarbon combust with oxygen to produce carbon dioxide and water. So these are the examples that I picked for the combustion reaction. They all have an O2 in it, because combustion reaction is a reaction of an oxygen, so they all must contain an O2 in it. To find out that the reactions are a combustion reactions, you can see by the compounds element actually. So when the compounds element they have like O2 in it, that mostly could be a combustion. And usually combustion reaction is more about oxygen and heat, so you can differentiate the compound element.